is one of the best ways to learn a language. You can learn a lot just by doing this.
Olá, I'm Sara. Welcome to my channel and to the Portuguese world.
A lot of people ask me about different things, and for all of these things I will give you one answer, okay? So this is how to learn vocabulary, word order, sentence structure, grammar, and verb tenses. First thing, you have your textbook with explanations, with the translation. You study it, okay? Now, to internalize, you need to use sentences instead of words or just the rule for a grammar point, okay? Use sentences. For example, eu como laranja. Eu como laranja. I eat orange. This is a very simple example. By learning with sentences, eu como laranja, you are learning eu, that means I. Eu como is the verb when I want to talk about me, I eat. Eu como. And laranja. Eu como laranja. With this sentence, we are learning everything. Vocabulary, grammar, word order, sentence structure, and the verb tense. You don't need a list like eu como, tu comes, eu como, nós comemos, vós comeis, blah, blah, blah. You don't need a list for the verb to eat. You have a sentence, in this case, I eat orange, and you can use other sentences to learn how to say she eats, we eat, they eat. You don't need a list, okay? And with sentence, you will learn everything you need. And you learn the sentence. And this is so simple. So for some people, it can be very obvious this, but for other people don't, because they learned how to learn in a different way. Maybe it's not the most effective way. But this is why I'm here, right? And also to get you in the Portuguese world, right? So this is one of the best ways to learn a language. You can learn a lot just by doing this. Other very important thing, the material that you are using needs to be what we called comprehensible input. This means this content that you are using to learn Portuguese needs to be a little bit difficult, but just a little bit, not too much, and not too easy, balanced. So you always will feel challenged and you will keep learning. But if it's too easy and if it's too difficult, it will get boring. You will feel unmotivated, you will procrastinate, and in the end you do nothing and you learn nothing. And this is not what we want. So not too difficult and not too easy.
This is it for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe to receive the next European Portuguese videos. Ciao, ciao!